Welcome to Cardano News Today. In this video, you will get to know the latest news about Cardano to $500. You need this amount of Cardano. Cardano ADA price prediction for 2021. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about Cardano. Cardano has risen more than 20% in the last 24 hours, with prices peaking at $2.55 and hitting a record high. The cryptocurrency that underpins Charles Hoskinson's public blockchain has regained its position as the third largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $80 billion. The Cardano blockchain cryptocurrency is called ADA, and the system is often touted as a direct competitor to Ethereum and Solana. It is the third most valuable cipher, surpassing Binance Coin and after Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rise in the value of crypto assets is due to the launch of the Alonzo Purple public testnet. This is the final testing phase of the project and will eventually end when the network gets the smart contract capabilities. The entire crypto market witnessed a bullish recovery last week, pushing market capitalization to over $2 trillion, while Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to lead the race. The new altcoin is constantly challenging the standard. Price declines from the last 2 months do not seem to have too much of an impact on the prices of digital assets. It's now well over $2. It hit an all-time high in May and remained a bit shy at $2.5. What is the driving force behind Cardano rally? Future Alonzo upgrades are driving bullish sentiment. The development team announced the launch of a public testnet on Twitter. Incorporating smart contracts is important for blockchain as it introduces various new features such as DeFi, NFT, and auto lending. The new update is likely to be released on September the 12th. And investors are confident that it will be a game changer. Often referred to as the Ethereum killer, it is 4 times the size of Solana by market capitalization, and there are few practical use cases at this time. On the contrary, Japanese authorities have allowed it to float on domestic exchanges. Although cryptography around the world is in its infancy, Japan's decision is also cited as an indirect sign of due diligence and compliance. Smart contracts, or blockchain contracts, are unique in that they guarantee compliance between the other two parties. Immutability is one of the most notable features of self-executive contracts. This means that code, rules, and even blockchain-programmed transactions cannot be undone, modified, or tampered with. Like traditional contracts, smart contracts are agreements between 2 or more parties that avoid the need for third-party vigilance and enforcement. It is self-contained, and code, internal regulations, and transactions cannot be undone, modified, or tampered with. The blockchain network maintains a transparent, secure, immutable transaction ledger that also establishes proof of ownership and ensures transferability. Contract negotiations and applications will be much more accessible, and all transaction history will be transparently available. In addition, it can be deployed to DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. DAO needs to bind the community to specific rules coded in the blockchain contracts, combined with governance mechanisms. Ethereum is renowned for its smart contracting capabilities and was created in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin and 4 other co-founders. Polkadot, EOS, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and many others are still competing for the throne, but the industry's starting lineup. Coinbase announces $500 million investment. The global currency market has skyrocketed to $2.09 trillion today as Bitcoin topped the $48,000 level for the first time since May. Investor confidence in the market also seems to have regained, with cryptocurrency trading volume exceeding $110 billion. The market recovery was supported by Coinbase's announcement to invest $500 million in the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin closed the day with $48,670, reversing a $46,700 from resistance to support resistance, surpassing some previous highs. This is a 3.5% increase at 10 a.m. on the IST. Bitcoin trading volume regained stable at $36 billion today. Bitcoin rose more than 60% last month. but its advantage is less than 44% due to the surge in altcoin growth. The $50,000 serves as the next major resistance that may sell out at that time. Ethereum rose 2.5% today, testing its psychological resistance at $3,300. However, Ethereum has not been able to exceed that level in the past week. Short-term support is $3,050. All the top 20 cryptocurrencies except Cardano recorded an increase today with more than 8% increase in Solana, Polkadot, and Polygon. Cardano, which hit a record high this week, was a modest day, down 0.5%. In this week's post, Bitcoin is likely to test 50,000, and if sold out, Bitcoin could tentatively fall below 48,000. If $50,000 is violated and backtested as support, Bitcoin can rise towards $55,000. How much Cardano ADA do you need to be a millionaire? In the last few months, I haven't seen many videos on how to become a millionaire in Cardano, but they always forget to include the most important part, and that's the amount you need to invest in Cardano to make it happen now, and what Cardano needs to do to make it happen. Cardano was trading at around 10 cents until the early 2021. Cardano was trading at around 10 cents until the early 2021 worker, Dino, started the year at 18 cents. But then it soared and traded for 32 cents within a week, with some variability, Cardano's biggest rise since February. When Cardano soared from 34 cents to 95 cents in less than 2 weeks, it exceeded $1 by February and traded at the $2 level in early 2021. However, it has recently experienced a significant decline and is currently trading at $1.48. So does that mean Cardano has 10 times more potential during this current market cycle? And is this an investment that makes you a millionaire? So many investors believe that cryptocurrencies like Cardano are very exaggerated. Many are just looking for the next big thing to make him or her a millionaire. This means that Gene Simmons has bought $300,000 worth of Cardano. But Cardano's price increases are not only due to the fact that we have a huge emergence of decentralized finance, but the DeFi outlook is the most important reason why Cardano could be a millionaire maker's investment. As more people and businesses are looking for DeFi solutions and more financial institutions are trying to integrate cryptocurrencies into their systems, DeFi platforms like Cardano are experiencing very high demand, and these are just a few of the factors that can make a Cardano millionaire dollar coin. Cardano, like other cryptocurrencies, is a blockchain platform that supports systems and applications, but it's still in its infancy. Cardano can provide access to any digital ID to people around the world who don't have a bank account. I don't think Cardano is still mainstream. Not many people know what the various Cardano projects are. I'm continuing, so I think it's still very early. So I think Cardano can make 10 times and 20 times more serious moves. Before breaking down the actual calculations to see how much money you need to invest, you need to understand where you are in the current crypto cycle. Currently, Cardano has skyrocketed from less than a penny to 1.11 cents in the last 2 months of the bull market in 2017. This is an increase from 5,450%. And by the end of this current bullish cycle, we were able to see the Cardano 2 peaking at around $10 if a similar price increase is seen in the 2021 bull run. So the main thing that can be removed from here is that there is another 10 times movement from Cardano, followed by another big crash and another 10% movement. 20% movement as Bitcoin appears to be leading the way to other altcoins. And if Cardano has proven to be the blockchain of choice, there is still the possibility that something else will replace it. And with all this institutional activity going on, we were able to get out of this 4-year cycle, and it could just keep rising. But obviously, it's not guaranteed, so let's still be very conservative. Now that we have the basics of the rice movement, we know where we are in this growth cycle. So let's take a look at the math about how much money we need to invest to make $1 million. Cardano price prediction. Today, Cardano, the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has skyrocketed prominently in the last few years. With a good peer-reviewed platform, Cardano looks like it will be the basis for many decentralized apps in the future. This video describes Cardano price forecasts for the coming months and years. Take a closer look at Cardano, highlight the price influencing factors, and show where you can buy Cardano completely free of charge. Cardano price forecast 2021 to 2022. Later in this video, we'll take a look at the Cardano prediction 2021, which covers coins from a technical and basic perspective. However, if you are looking for a quick forecast of Cardano in the short term, this section will show you the findings through a detailed analysis of the future trajectory of the coin. Cardano's current momentum seems unstoppable. As a result, next month's Cardano forecast predicts that digital currencies will return to a record high of $2.46. If the Cardano smart contract upgrade is successful, the bullish momentum may continue. This will allow Cardano to push forward to the $3 mark within the next 3 months. Prior to 2022, some consolidation may be seen before the next rise. With this in mind, Cardano's forecast for 2022 is that the coin will be worth $5. To start pricing for Cardano, it is imperative to look back and see how you have reached this point. This process is an important aspect of investing, as it ensures that sufficient information is provided to make investment decisions. But first, let's take a look at what Cardano is doing before looking at the price history of coins. Cardano is a public blockchain platform that enables peer-to-peer transactions via the native token ADA. The platform was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, along with Vitalik Buterin. Cardano's idea began to come true in 2015 and was officially launched in 2017. In particular, Cardano is very similar to the Ethereum platform because it can facilitate the development and deployment of distributed apps. However, Cardano developers aim to position the platform as an upgrade to Ethereum. Cardano uses proof of stake to mine blocks. This is much more efficient than the proof of work protocol used in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Until late 2020, when the market began to gain momentum, few were considering buying Cardano UK. Between the beginning of 2021 and May 2021, Cardano's live prices rose a staggering 1,299%. Much of the hype surrounding Cardano comes from peer-reviewed foundations. The fact that Cardano's platform is science-based means that companies are more comfortable partnering with this digital asset than any other company. However, in late May 2021, the hype disappeared as Cardano experienced a significant dip. Coins fell by about 58% in the months that followed, with a support level of $1. In particular, Cardano's price has tested this support level 3 times and never broke through. This means that investors believed that Cardano was worth it despite the plunge in the crypto market. Everything changed in July 2021 as the price of Cardano began to gain momentum. Much of this was due to rumors surrounding that Cardano's smart contract upgrade announced in September 2021. Since the rumors began, Cardano's price has risen 141% in just a few weeks. Logically, this is likely to be priced by investors before the upgrade begins. But in any case, for those who are guessing the current price of Cardano, the rise is great. Cardano is currently retesting its record high of $2.45 in May 2021. If these highs are breached, it is unknown how high Cardano will rise in the coming months and years. An important element of Cardano's stock price forecast is to understand the technical and the fundamental factors that can drive future prices. This is a process that needs to be completed when considering how to buy cryptocurrencies. This provides enough information to make investment decisions. That said, the following sections show the technical and basic components of ADA pricing forecasting. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time.